How to fix Facebook app not active. In this video, we will talk about how to fix this problem on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, you need to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open Facebook, then scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now go to this option here, set as a default, and make sure that this option open supported links, it's allowed. And after this, your problem will be correctly solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another